not just legs like last time, okay? Before we start, make sure everything around you is nice and safe. You have a drink ready, and that's it. Let's crack on. Let's go. Boom. That's it, guys. Hope you guys good. Let's go. How long the gym is going to open in the UK, so I've been quite busy sorting things out. Let's go. Crisscross. That's it. Hope you guys are keeping well. That's it. Oh, I'm so sore on my chest. Let's go, guys. That's it. Breathe. Arms up and down. That's it. Good. That's it. Nice. And now let's rotate. So that's it. Full range of motion. All the way. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. And backwards. Nice. Good, and now jumps, guys, here. Boom, boom. Punch. That's it. Bum, bum, bum. And punch the sky. That's it. Up. Good. And punch it again. That's it. Keep you going. Bum, bum, bum. And jumping jacks. Let's go. Nice. Up and down. Let's keep going. And shuffle. And now let's kick just like straight legs. Here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight legs. 8, 9, 10. Good, guys. Now kick backs here. And let's bring the knees up high. Up, up, up. And good, relax. Some front lunges, guys. Yeah. That's it. Knee down. Very good. And again. Nice. That's it. And again, good. 1. And that's it. Good Cossacks now. So, lift the legs up. That's good. Nice. Relax. Let's open the hip, so balance. Knee up. 1, take it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, balance. 6, 7, 8, good. Balance. 9 and 10. Let's go. Squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips down. 9, 10, 11. Legs are so ready. 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Relax the back, guys. Reach for your toes. Here. Good. Nice. And rest. Good, guys. So have a drink. I'm going to start with the first one soon. Don't worry, I'll show you in a sec, okay? Have a drink and I'll explain what's going to happen for the first exercise. Boom. Alright guys, so for the first exercise, we're going to use a kettlebell. But don't worry, if you don't have a kettlebell, I'm going to explain them with a dumbbell as well, okay? I prefer kettlebell just because of the structure, but actually it does the same job using a dumbbell. So basically guys, get a decent kettlebell from here, keep your arms relaxed, okay, so don't be too stiff. Bend your knees slightly, and from there you explode from your legs, and you bring the weight here. And at the same time, you're going to do a squat, so it looks like this. So from here, up, 1, back down, 2, and you carry on, okay? So flick, see, my elbows are pointing out, and when I flick it up, my elbows point down. I do the squat, and I carry on, okay? So the same thing with the dumbbell. Let's say you have your dumbbell here, and from there explode, same thing, 1, back down, 2, and you carry on. So just take it easy to be comfortable with it, guys, okay? Don't push yourself, make sure your technique is okay, and afterwards you can add more weight, all right? We're gonna be doing 15 reps and 3 sets, a minute in between each, all right? So start nice and light, and afterwards you can up the weight. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So up here, 1, good. 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, well done. 7, 8, 9, 10, final. 4, 3, elbows down, chest up. 2, last one, and rest. Good. That's it. Wait a minute. Nice. Good, guys. Catch your breath. So breathe. Nice. Nice, nice. Gets the heart rate up, to be fair. Good. Good. After this, I need to do some cleaning here. So, nothing glamorous. So yeah, it's all good. Good, guys. Alright. 15, so we're going to repeat the same, 15 reps. Okay? So 10 seconds, guys. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So relax the legs, so explode. 1, deep squat. 2, nice. 3, good. 4, chest up. 5, good, guys. 6, 7, 8, nice, let's go. 9, 10, final, let's go. 1, 3, let's go. 2, last one, and rest. Nice. We got one more round, okay? That's it, catch your breath. That's it. Oh, it gets the heart rate. So guys, breathe. Nice. There's not much to talk about. Feels like since COVID, you just meet, you know, with friends, or you talk to people and it's like, what you been doing? I'm like, well, the same shit for the past year. It's kind of the same. Not long now, hopefully. 15 seconds, guys. Last round, okay? Same 15 reps. Catch your breath. Good. Nice. 9, 8, 6. You ready? Last round. 5. I'll face this way so you guys can see my back as well. 3, 2, let's go. Up. 1, 2, core tight. Nice. 3, 4, look up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's let's go. 13 up, 14 and 15. Nice one, guys. Wow. Right, catch your breath. We'll have 2 minutes rest, guys. And afterwards I'll show you guys what's going to happen in the second one, okay? For the second one, again, we can use the kettlebell or use a dumbbell, so don't worry about that, okay? Enjoy rest, and I'll see you guys in 2. Well done for the first exercise, guys. Now we're going to go to exercise downward dogs. So again, you can use the kettlebell or the dumbbell. In this case, I'm going to go for the dumbbell just for the grip. So kettlebell, you can use this grip, so you go around the head. Okay, so I prefer holding the handle and holding the bottom of the kettlebell. But if you do use the dumbbell like me, get a grip like this. And from here, guys, you're going to basically go around your head. And when you get to this position, you do a squat. Around the head, and you get to that position, you do a squat. Okay, so we're going to basically do 10 on one side, 10 on the other, and rest. Okay, so you move it around the head. Make sure you're not going to clip your head, your nose, okay, or your chin. So take it around, you get here, squat down, and you carry on. 10 on one side, 10 on the other side. All right, nice and controlled. Same 3 times. You guys know the drill. Okay, let's go. So core tight, so start from here. Wide stance, so get your feet ready. So here, full range of motion, squat 1, that's it. Here, 2, that's it, take you around. 3, good. Round, 4, keep going, that's it. 4, 5. Oh shit, I did clip my head. 5, mind that. 6, well done. 7, up, 8, breathe, 9, good guys, 10 the other way, so go, yeah, so now, yeah, that's it, 1, so 2, I'm a bit confused, yeah, 3, 4, 5, that's it guys, let's go, 6, round, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10, slow rest, well done. Oh, it's burning the shoulders, isn't it? Yeah, I did clip my head a bit. It's fine, it wasn't from a big distance. Well done, guys. Good. Nice. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. That's it, guys. 30 seconds. This is quite intense. Oh, Hamlet says it's 80. That's bullshit. That's it. To breathe. Right, 10 seconds, guys, okay? The thing is with this is confusing because you start on one side and after it's like, you think, which side did I just do? So yeah, hopefully you're not going to do the same side twice. I'm only going to find out when I play the video back. So get ready guys, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, no, we go this way. 1, good. 2, that's it. 3, controlled. 4, nice to us. Let's go. 5, round. 6, let's go. 7, good. 8, round. 9, 10, now the other way. 1, 2, round. 3, control the rush. 4, 5, 6, round, 7, almost done, 8, 9, slow, and 10. Oh, it's burning. Nice guys, well done. One more round, okay? Come on. Sweaty bastard. 15 guys, that's it. Well done, well done. Good. That's a breathe. 30. 30. Oh, it's burning. This is the last round, okay? And afterwards, have another break, one more exercise. And that's it, you guys can rest. Have a nap. 15 guys, okay? Good. Heart rate 82. I need to have a chat with Garmin. Talking rubbish. Right guys, ready? Last round, let's go. Here, let's go. Round 1. Again, core tight. 2, good. Let's go. 3, nice. 4, round 5. That's it. 6, let's go. 7, good guys. Up. 8, 9, around 10. Good, the other way. 1, controlled. 2, 3, 4, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Nice guys. Arms are falling off. Right, you guys have 2 minutes rest. We got one more exercise and that's it. So you guys catch your breath and I'll see you in 2 minutes. Right, lovely people, so well done for the second one guys. Now we're going to finish with the third one. This is a superset, okay, just to spice things up. So basically, first we're going to be doing some push-ups on either the kettlebell or the dumbbell you've been using, okay? And afterwards we're going to superset with steps. So again, don't panic, do not panic guys. You don't need to have a step on this. You can have your staircase, you can have anything that's a bit elevated and you can just put your weight on, okay? That's a bit of cardio. So basically guys, on the, let's say the kettlebell, you're gonna keep your hand on it and from here, you're gonna do 10 push-ups. So let's say, hand there, you go on your feet and you do 10 push-ups on one side, okay? And afterwards you swap and you do 10 push-ups. You move your hand and you do 10 push-ups on the other side, okay? So basically one after the other, 10, 1, 10 on the other. And afterwards we're gonna do a minute on the step and we rest, all right? If you can't do the push-ups on your knees, you know what you need to do. Do them from the feet. So core tight, chest comes down. Reason for using this guys is to stretch that side further. So when you go push-up position, it's normally you touch the floor and that's it. It stretches to a certain limit. With this, you can get deeper, so you get a better work on that side, okay? That's it. So take it easy. It's the same thing with dumbbell. Just keep your hand on it. Simple. Right, get ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. Slow, control. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, all the way. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other side, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And now on the steps, let's go a minute. So as quick as you can, guys. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. This is just to keep it hurried. Okay? That's 20 seconds really. Well done. That's it. Let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, finally, heart rate 145. Good, guys, catch your breath. Well done, guys, well done. That's it, breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. That's it. Yeah. Nice, 25 guys. 25 seconds. So same thing. 10 push-ups one side, 10 on the other. And afterwards, we got the step. Alright, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, just let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit the side, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's go. Such a majestic start. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Fast. Slow. That's it. I'll get the stitch. 30 seconds, let's go. Rest. That's it. Heart rate, 1 and 2. Nah, can't be. Oh, yeah, I had a stitch. Oh, it's 152 now. Why are you lying to me? One more round, and it's fini, guys. Okay? We need to push it hard on this one. Okay? Oh, 30 seconds, that's it. Sorry, I forgot to turn the watch on. Good, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, so afterwards, put some music in the background or put a podcast or something. do some cleaning. It's all good. Nice. Righty guys. 2.6, 4, right, 10 each. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Chest down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Hit the side, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. That's it, let's go. Last minute, guys. Let's make it count. Fast. Very good. 25 not really. That's the best of the young. Let's go. 20 left. 15. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Oh, it's definitely keeping the heart rate up. Guys, that was good. Well done. Good session. 140. Good. Right, breathe, guys. Definitely feel it. So, guys, have a quick stretch, and that's it. Okay, let's start with the legs. So, legs apart, guys. Here, keep both knees straight, and from this position, just reach in and touch your toes. Relax. That's it. That's it, and now the other side. And in the middle, relax the back. Good, guys. Okay, these are the quads. Up balance. The other day when we did a leg session, remember I couldn't even hold my balance, keep my legs up because I was gone. That's it, up balance. And switch, you guys. Here. Up, balance. Come. Good. Now put the foot on something high, a box or something. That's it. Keep your legs straight. Grab your toes. Pull. Hold it there. The other side. The other leg. This is much. This is stiffer. Oh man. So stiff. Good, guys. Now figure of 4. So here, standing pigeon. Here. That's it. Balance. Switch. Balance, balance. Good. Slow. Hand, shoulder, guys. Up. That's it. switch. Let's go. Relax. And last one, last triceps. Shake off. Here. Today I done 14 or 15,000 steps. Went for a walk at lunchtime. It's nice. Thing is, when you're only working from home, especially if you sit down a lot, luckily you don't manage to do more than 3,000-4,000 in a day, so that's not enough. Right guys, thank you. You guys smashed it. I'll see you guys in the next session, okay? More to come, more to come. Well done. Have a good day.